and Palmyra, we will see the man-made 8 wonders of the world.
Yeah. And this is Hyatt Regency, one of the expensive hotels in the world.
And this is Valerie, the one is the prestigious Pok in Dubai. Uray! And this is me. Go.
Another prostitute.
Walang tulog, 48 years.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. And this is Manong.
By left, huh? Straight.
You see the pretty
Oh, yeah.
place of Dubai. This is the place. And we're going to that way. That way is going to Gold Souk, land of gold. Too much talking, don't talk.
Yeah.
Oh, you see. Ah, this is the sun. Very good.
Video yan.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, wow.
Welcome to Dubai.
Fine.
This is our car lift.
Car lift.
Yeah.
And kung saan po tayo, nandito po tayo nakasakay kung saan sa pinaka-grandiosong sasakyan dito sa Dubai. Ito yung tinatawag na car lift kung saan ang aming paninda na yun, nandun sa likod. Yeah.
By right, huh?
Yes. We now approaching one of the biggest hospital in Dubai.
Famous
Hospital Dubai. This is Dubai Hospital. You see? Wait. That is Dubai Hospital. I'm working there. I'm working that place, that building. Very nice.
Ay, ano na, right.
1 year ago, that is all sea. But now, you can see.
Ano na, ginawa ng tulay.
Yeah, a very nice place, huh?
Signal left.
Yeah.
Signal left, ha?
Oh, yeah,
Nakasilaw
very
naman.
nice. Oh, you see, that is Dubai Hospital. This intersection.
Yeah, left.
Left.
After left, right, huh?
Left.
Go inside, right.
First
Yeah.
left.
Yeah,
Left now, and then right.
Okay.
nag-stop over
Pero
po
ang
tayo.
kape, natusok ako nung hipon, punyeta.
Sana umabot pa po ang battery hanggang sa bahay.
Kasi ano
Para
ba yung,
makita
ano
niyo
ba
ang
yung
bahay.
bulalo hahatiin ko?
Yeah. Ay, hindi. Basta, bahala na mamaya. Oh my God, wait.
Kasi ang daming gulay ilalagay. Tignan mo, ay magtitira ako ng 1 kilo para sa akin.
This is the mosque. They call the biggest mosque of all. Yeah. Exactly. You see the people walking in the street.
Tignan ko pa nga siya, mabait siya.
Oh, you see, we will go now.
Bye,
We will see the house.
Take,
Yeah, nagbigay siya ng grasshopper.
Hindi ako pagka mabait, walang problema sa akin.
Ah, si Kabayan. You see the Kabayan walking. That's Kabayan, you see.
Gwapo siya, pwede
Ang
siya.
gwapo ni Kabayan.
Sabi niya, sana makuha, right.
Yeah, and then right, my friend.
Yes.
This is our place here in Dubai. Oh, you see? Very nice place because it's
Yeah.
subdivision.
Left.
And then left again.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Malapit nang malobat tong camera natin. You see too much car outside?
Pero na-90
Kasi ang kwan po dito, ang mga sasakyan po dito ay hindi pinapansin. And then, here now,
Back
bus.
here, okay.
Yeah.
Yes, this is my
Yeah.
house. Yeah, thank you.
Welcome.
Bas. Ay, kinukuha yung tawagan.
Ayan
It's
na.
our place now. I go inside our gate.
Oh, you take all now.
So, I have to go. You take the beef.
Okay, I will take the beef.
Thank you.
This is the driver. This is our house. You will see. Oh my God. Hello. Ay! Ouch! Ito na ang bahay namin. Tumingin ka naman dito. Hanggang dito nakapuan niya. Ito po. O, tingnan nyo po. Ang yaman namin dito sa Dubai. Talagang ganon. Pero ang ulam naman po namin ay bongga, ay bulalo, pang mayaman. Oh, Valerie. Wait.
O yung ano mo.
Hello po. Nandito na kami sa bahay namin. Ang bahay namin na parang squatter kasi ang daming mga sampay dyan sa labas. Ito, papasok na po kami ng loob ng bahay kung saan ang mga kapitbahay namin ay tulog pa.
Mga kasambahan.
Sambay na namin. Tulog na po sila. Ayan. Ayan, tulog na po. Ayan. Okay. Thank you po. Bye-bye.